Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to learn the climbing skill in Gothic 1 Remake. Learning the climbing skill lets you climb surfaces that are normally impossible to scale. This also allows you to reach certain areas in the game that would otherwise be inaccessible unless you learn the climbing skill. To learn this skill, head to the swamp camp at this shore as shown on the map. At this location you'll find an NPC named Theron who can teach you the climbing skill once you give him the swamp weed he asks for. To get the swamp weed, backtrack a little and follow my path until you find an NPC named Fortuno. Fortuno gives you 3 swamp weed every day for free. Now return to Theron, give him the swamp weed, and he'll unlock the option to learn the climbing skill. And that's how to learn the climbing skill in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.